The university you decide on to accomplish your goals and aspirations is of utmost importance. With its sophisticated facilities and youthful academic atmosphere, Istanbul Medipol University is here to help you achieve the success you've always dreamt of. Our university will provide a productive environment to meet your academic expectations and equip you with the necessary tools to pursue them in great interest. All the academic success is achievable here at Medipol University in Istanbul, the city where two continents meet. Historically, Istanbul has been the ruling arena and an inspirational cradle for the empires, famous writers, and poets. It's a truly unique and multicultural city that has helped the East and West come together in harmony. Istanbul Medipol University has been gaining remarkable momentum in academic popularity, attracting students from all around the globe with its vast infrastructure, state-of-the-art research centers, and high-tech laboratories. Being in the group of 401 Plus on Young University Rankings 2020 in the global list announced by Times Higher Education, Istanbul Medipol University was listed among the best young universities in the world, as well as being recognized among the top universities both nationally and internationally by the Round University Ranking. We aim to increase the diversity of our university with international academic cooperation agreements. Always striving to support them with a safe campus environment and housing facilities, we accommodate more than 1,000 international students from 75 countries. Istanbul Medipol University. You have a place here.